Are you tired of spending hours creating social media content? Struggling to come up with the perfect words to engage your audience? Well, what if we told you there's a way to create social media content with ease and efficiency? Introducing AI Intellect, the revolutionary tool that will change the way you create content. With AI Intellect, you can generate high-quality social media content in minutes, leaving you with more time to focus on other important aspects of your business. Creating content with AI Intellect is easy. Simply input the topical information to choose the type of content you want to create, and let the software do the rest. The AI technology will analyze your information request, generating content that's tailored specifically for your business. With AI Intellect, you can create captivating posts that will grab your audience's attention. And the best part? You don't need any prior design or marketing experience. AI Intellect does it all for you. So what are you waiting for? Start creating social media content with AI Intellect today and take your brand to the next level. Join the AI revolution.